Now I'm going to do 17. So we are continuing the children's dose with number 17. In number 17 it says you're supposed to give amoxicillin milligrams, 250 milligrams every 8 hours. If I'm going to give every 8 hours, I'm going to give 3 times in 24-hour period for a child that weighs 58 pounds. Again, this is the same as above. The child weighs 58 pounds. You have amoxicillin 125 milligrams for 5 meals. But here it says the recommended daily dose PO dosage for the child is 20 milligrams to 40 milligrams per kilo per day in divided doses of every 8 hours, which is what we're going to give them. So let's first calculate the child's weight. So we again do 58 divided by 2.2, which comes back to again 26.36 kilo. This child weighs 26.36 kilos. You're supposed to, your range is between 20 milligrams per kilo and 40 milligrams per kilo. So I'm going to do 26.36 times 20 and 26.36 times 40. This is what I'm going to get my range. Is this drug going to be within the range? So for 20, it's 527.2 milligrams. And for this one, it's 154.4 milligrams. I'm supposed to give this child 250 every 8 hours. So I'm going to give this medication 3 times. So 250 times 3 equals to 750 milligrams. Is this within the range? Yes, it is. Because why? We can give anywhere from 527 to 10,000. So this is a safe dose to give this child. It is within the range. I hope you understand that part. This is within the range. So yes, it is within the range. So how much will I give? You have at hand 5 ml at 125 milligrams. Am I correct? And you're supposed to give 250 milligrams per dose. So you can cancel the milligrams and milligrams. The only thing is left is milk. And the total amount you're going to give is 10 ml per dose. It's very simple. This should start falling into making sense to you as you continue doing it. As long as you do the first part and you know your ranges and it's within the range, then you calculate and say how much you're giving. So that's number 17. Let's do number 18. Let's continue. It says all these drugs that I have given you, the first 3 drugs are all antibiotics. So coloxylin 500 milligrams PO every 6 hours for a child weighing 66 pounds. You have cleocin at 125 milligrams per meal available. The recommended daily dose is 50 milligrams to 100 milligrams per kilo in divided doses of every 6 hours. We are going to give it every 6 hours anyway. So let's divide first. 66 divided by 2.2, you will get exactly 30 kilo. This child weighs 30 kilo. Okay? Now let's look at our range. It says you can give up from 50 to 100 milligrams. So I'm going to multiply 30 times 50 because you can give 50 to 30. You understand that? You can give this medication 50 per kilo or you can give all the way to 100 milligrams per kilo. So I'm going to do 30 times 50, which is what my child weighs, and 50 milligrams is what I'm going to do it because per kilo is 50, so 30 kilo will be how much? It's 1500, as you can see, and then I'm going to multiply 30 times 100, which is 3000 milligrams. So I can give either 1500 milligrams all the way to 3000. So how much am I supposed to give? I'm supposed to give 500 milligrams every 6 hours. So 500 milligrams I'm supposed to give how many times? 4 times. Okay, every 6 hours is 4 times. So 500 times 4 is what? 500 times 4 is 2000. So is it within the range? 2000 milligrams. Yes, we can give from 1500 to 3000. So this is a safe dose and it's within the range. So you got that this is within the range, it's a safe dose, yes. So how much will you give? What do you have at hand? You have 1 ml, over 125 milligrams. That's what you have at hand. How much are you supposed to give? You're supposed to give them 500 milligrams per dose. Am I correct? So milligram cancels this and this. The amount you're supposed to give them total is 4 meals per dose. It's very simple. Once you get the hang of it, these are the simplest thing you'll be doing. Any questions? Continue to ask me.